Imagine holding the power to transform your reality with your mind. Today, you're about to unlock a visualization technique so potent it's like having a magic wand for your life's desires. No more guesswork, no more hoping. You're stepping into a realm where your visions materialize with certainty. You're no longer at the mercy of chance. You're the creator of your destiny. This method isn't just effective, it's revolutionary, a game changer in manifesting your deepest desires. Fasten your seatbelt. Your path to manifesting miracles begins now. Now let's delve into the core of this transformative visualization method, a technique so powerful that it guarantees the manifestation of your desires. But first, we need to know how exactly the manifestation process works. Let's delve into the mechanics of manifestation, a process often shrouded in mystery, yet rooted in tangible psychological principles. At its core, manifestation is about bringing our thoughts, desires, and beliefs into reality. It's a journey that begins in the mind and culminates in the physical world. How does this happen? It all starts with the power of thought. Our thoughts are like seeds planted in the fertile ground of our subconscious mind. Every thought emits a specific frequency, much like a radio wave, sending signals out into the universe. Now, the law of attraction, a key component in manifestation, comes into play. This universal law suggests that like attracts like. So, when we focus our thoughts intensely on a specific goal or desire, we're essentially attracting that reality toward us. But it's not just about wishful thinking. Effective manifestation requires clarity of intention, positive thinking, and a deep belief in the desired outcome. This belief isn't superficial. It's a profound conviction that what we seek is not only possible, but is already on its way. The subconscious mind plays a pivotal role here. Unlike the conscious mind, which analyzes and critiques, the subconscious accepts whatever it's fed without judgment. So when we repeatedly visualize our goals and infuse these visualizations with positive emotions, our subconscious begins to align our actions and reactions in a way that steers our life towards those goals. It's like programming a GPS system with a destination. The route becomes clearer and the journey unfolds with purpose. Now, let's delve into the core of this transformative visualization method, a technique so powerful that it guarantees the manifestation of your desires. Visualization, according to Murphy, is not merely a practice, but a gateway to manifesting your deepest desires. It's about painting vivid mental pictures that your subconscious mind interprets as reality. When you close your eyes and envision your goals, you're doing more than just daydreaming. You're setting the stage for your life's greatest transformations. Joseph Murphy emphasized the immense power of the subconscious mind, a force that, when directed correctly, can bring about miraculous changes in our lives. But how do we tap into this power effectively? The key lies in a process I call conscious imprinting. This isn't just imagining your success. It's about imprinting your desires onto your subconscious with such clarity and intensity that it begins to work in your favor, turning those desires into your new reality. Imagine infusing your goals with such vivid detail and emotional intensity that they become indistinguishable from real memories to your subconscious. This is where the magic happens. Your mind starts orchestrating events, opportunities, and encounters that align with your visualizations. It's not wishful thinking. It's a method tested and proven by the wisdom of Joseph Murphy and countless success stories. In the next few minutes, we're going to break down this method step by step. You'll learn how to create a mental blueprint so precise and so compelling that the universe can't help but respond. At the heart of conscious imprinting lies the belief that our thoughts and beliefs are not mere reflections of our reality. They are the architects of it. Every thought, every belief weaves the tapestry of our life experiences. Conscious imprinting involves deliberately choosing and embedding these thoughts and beliefs to create a desired reality. The science of neuroplasticity supports the concept of conscious imprinting. Our brains are not static. They are dynamic organs, constantly reshaping themselves in response to our experiences and thoughts. By consciously directing our thoughts, we can forge new neural pathways, leading to lasting changes in our behavior, emotions, and even our physical reality. The first step in conscious imprinting, an integral part of Joseph Murphy's teachings, begins with the development of a crystal-clear vision. This is more than a simple act of imagination. It is the creation of a mental blueprint for your desired future. The effectiveness of this technique hinges on the vividness and detail of the vision. You must construct a mental image so clear and precise that it feels almost tangible. This involves visualizing not only the end goal, but also the intricate details that surround it. For instance, if your aim is professional success, envision not just the achievement itself, but the environment, the people around you, the emotions you feel, and the sense of accomplishment that comes with it. An essential aspect of this vision is emotional imbuing. It's not enough to just see your goal. You must feel it deeply. Engage your emotions as you visualize. Feel the joy, excitement, or peace that comes with achieving your goal. This emotional connection is what breathes life into your vision, making it a powerful magnet for your desires. Regular practice and refinement of your vision are crucial. Each day, dedicate time to reinforce and embellish your mental image. With each session, strive to add more layers to your vision, making it more vibrant and comprehensive. This consistent practice not only ingrains the vision into your subconscious mind, but also helps you to refine and clarify your goals over time. To make your vision even more powerful, incorporate sensory details. What would you hear when your dream turns into reality? What would you be touching or feeling? Maybe there's a particular scent associated with your vision. Engaging all your senses makes the experience more lifelike and therefore more believable to your subconscious mind. While it's important to dream big, ensure that your vision is aligned with realistic expectations. This doesn't mean limiting your ambitions, but rather grounding your vision in a way that feels achievable and authentic to you. The second step in the conscious imprinting process, derived from Joseph Murphy's principles, is about embedding your vivid vision into the subconscious mind. This is where the real magic of transformation begins, as the subconscious mind is incredibly powerful in shaping our reality. Firstly, it's essential to understand the role of the subconscious mind. Unlike the conscious mind, which is analytical and critical, the subconscious is accepting and malleable. It believes whatever it is consistently fed. Therefore, embedding your vision into the subconscious is crucial for manifesting your desires. The key to embedding your vision into the subconscious mind is through repetition and consistency. This means regularly visualizing your goal with as much detail and emotion as possible. The more frequently you do this, the more your subconscious mind starts to accept this vision as reality. Create a daily routine where you spend time immersed in your vision. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed, close your eyes, and dive into your mental imagery. Make this a non-negotiable part of your day, similar to a meditation practice. The best times are often in the morning upon waking and at night before sleeping, as the subconscious mind is more receptive during these times. Incorporate affirmations that align with your vision. These should be positive, present tense statements that reinforce your goals, such as, "I am successful and fulfilled in my career." Repeat these affirmations during your visualization sessions to deepen the impact. The third step in the conscious imprinting process is to align your actions with your vision. This stage bridges the gap between mental visualization and physical realization, making it a critical component of manifestation. Begin by translating your vision into actionable steps. Break down your larger vision into smaller, manageable goals. This creates a roadmap towards your desired outcome and provides clarity on what needs to be done. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Acknowledging and appreciating the steps you've taken keeps you motivated and reinforces the positive cycle of action and manifestation. In this third step, the focus is on bridging your inner visualizations with outer realities through deliberate and consistent action. By aligning your daily actions with your vision, you actively participate in bringing your desired future into the present. The final step in the conscious imprinting process is to fully embrace and live in your new reality. This stage is about actualization and acceptance. Integrate your vision into your everyday life. Act, think, and behave as if your vision has already materialized. This integration solidifies the transformation from a dream to a tangible reality. Cultivate a sense of gratitude. Embrace and appreciate the changes, both big and small, that align with your vision. Gratitude not only enhances your well-being, but also attracts more positive experiences. And there you have it, the 4 transformative steps of conscious imprinting, inspired by the wisdom of Joseph Murphy. We started with a vision, embedded it into our subconscious, aligned our actions, and now we stand in the reality we created. You've unlocked the secret to turning your deepest desires into your living reality. Remember, the power to change your life lies within your own mind. Keep visualizing, keep believing, and keep acting. Your thoughts have the power to shape your world. See you in the next video.